In this video, I'm going to show you how to verify your phone number on Pi Network. The first thing you want to do is you want to open up the Pi Network, then go to the top left and select on these three bars just like so. Then go ahead and scroll down until you see this option that does say profile. Once you're over here, it is then going to give you a bunch of information about your profile and stuff like that, but all you want to do is you want to go ahead and just scroll down underneath account verification. And then you should see the option over here that does say verify phone number. So let's go ahead and press on this option that does say verify. Let's go ahead and press on that. So over here, you want to make sure that phone number is selected because this right over here is going to verify our phone number. Or if you guys want to go ahead and verify your email, that is also an option that you guys can go ahead and do. So all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on start just like so. Then go ahead and press open SMS like so. Then let's go ahead and select on our messaging application. And now we need to go ahead and send in our code to the number that it actually does provide us with. So let's go ahead and do that like so. And then let's go ahead and head back to Pi Network. And there you go. It'll now say your phone number is now successfully verified. And if we look over here, you'll now see that phone number is actually verified. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.